Hello coders, welcome back to the Tutorend, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple and lightweight component library or icons library, that is feather icon, and it is very lightweight. So let me show you. So this is the website of the feather icon, and you can see these are the icons available in this library. And why it is lightweight, let me show you. If I click on any of these icons, then you can see the size. It is in the byte and not even in kilobytes. So that's how lightweight it is, and you can also customize it however you want. Like you can change the size, you can change the stroke width, and you can also change the color from here. And guys, how this is useful for you, because you can use this in your React or Nextjs or any React based framework. For that, there is a wrapper package for the React, that is React feather, and this is the wrapper package that you can utilize to use the feather icon in your React or Next.js project. And you can see the downloads is about 231,000 per week. And this is a simple package documentation that you can use to use this library, but I'm going to show you myself, so don't worry about that. And to demonstrate this, I'm going to use a Next.js application which I created on the code spaces. By the way, if you like the written tutorials, then you can come to my website and search for the React feather, and you'll get this tutorial which is very short and precise. So this is my application right now, which I created in the Next.js, and I have removed the default code and I have written some divs with the Tailwind classes. And if I run it, then this is the home page right now. So to use the React feather, we have to install it in our project. So just copy it from here, npm r react feather, and just paste it in the new terminal. Now we can use any components from the React feather. So for example, if you want to use this camera icon, then you can use it like this. So as you can see here, I have used the heart icon from the React feather. So I'm going to import it from the React feather, and now you can use this anywhere in your component, like heart. And now let's save it. There you go, we can see the heart icon here. And if you want to customize it, then you can customize it. Let me quickly import all these. Heart, git, and home is a home icon, because the component which you are using right now is a home, and we get the name conflict if you are directly going to use the home. So we have to use the home as home icon. So let me quickly import it. And here we have imported all these three icons. Now we can use these three icons. So now it looks good. So you can see these are the customizations you can do on the icons. And here you can see you can change the size, color, stroke width, and you can also add the class names to any icon and later customize it with that class name. And you can also apply the styles directly. Let me quickly change the size and color. So for the heart icon, I'm going to give the color red, and size is going to be 48. Here you can see it. And for the home icon, color name sky blue, and size same. And here you can see how beautiful this looks. And now you can use these icons to create anything that requires icon, like navbar, side menu, or any buttons that require icons. You can add the feather icon, and it is going to be very lightweight. So if you also see on the npm, then you can see the size is only about 1 MB. You can explore these all customizations, and like we can change the stroke width, and here I'm going to set the stroke width to 4. So now you can see it is getting fatter. If you change it to 8, then it is going to be full block. Change it back to normal by removing the stroke width. Similarly, you can use all these props. So keep exploring yourself, and don't forget to subscribe to Tutorend for more videos like this. And stay healthy, keep coding, keep watching Tutorend.